Welcome to this online Floriday workshop on the use of contracts and standing orders. In this workshop, we show how to create a contract and how to set up customer-specific offer rules for long-term agreements. In addition, we will look at how standing orders are placed and managed. Before you can get started with the contracts, you must ensure that you have created items in your catalog and your delivery conditions have already been completed. If you have not already done so, first watch the videos about the catalog and delivery conditions. Let's get started. With contract trading in Floriday, you can establish long-term agreements between growers and buyers. These agreements become customer-specific supply lines. There is always an obligation to purchase. Both growers and buyers can create contracts, but these must always be approved by the other party. We will now show you step-by-step how to create such a contract. Go to Sales and then to Contracts in the left menu. This is the overview screen where you will find all your contracts after creating them. To create a new contract, click on Add Contract. First, fill in the general contract information. Choose a title, for example the end customer, the products or mix name. Then choose the customer and check whether you have selected the correct buyer number. In the search bar, you can search with both the company name and the buyer number. Optionally, add an end customer, attachment and specifications and select the desired currency. If it is a contract in collaboration with multiple suppliers, check Contract with Sub-Suppliers. You can add the sub-supply in Step 2. Next, choose the delivery conditions. These are your own created delivery conditions. Set the dispatch location and delivery location. Does your customer come to pick it up themselves or does it have to be sent to a different location? Then click on More Delivery Options and select the desired delivery option. Click on Continue to ensure that you do not accidentally skip anything. Add sub-suppliers if applicable. Is the step not fillable? Then go back to Step 1 and check Contract with Sub-Suppliers. In the next step, we will add articles. Add items to the contract by clicking Add Trade Items. Use the search bar to quickly find the items you want and click on the items you want to add to this contract. Check the characteristics of the items and adjust them if necessary by clicking on the characteristic. Select the desired packing per item and click Confirm when you are ready. You can now also optionally choose an alternative, which you can use if, for example, the customer wants a certain color of flowers and it does not matter what type they are. If the properties may differ and the customer is happy with this, then check Allow variations of trade items. Next, set the planning. Choose from which period the contract is valid and when it will expire. Then choose the period for which you want to complete the planning. This can be done per week, per month or per quarter. Quantity and pricing. First, choose whether you want to work with pieces or packages. You can then enter per period how many pieces are involved, what the price is and what the margin may be. If you want to do this for multiple periods at the same time, check the periods. A bar will appear at the bottom of the screen where you can choose whether you want to enter the quantities or the prices. Do these values apply to all items in the contract? At the bottom of the pop-up screen, there is a check mark that allows you to apply these settings to all items in the contract. Now do the same for the pricing of the trade items in this contract. Save the contract and wait for buyer approval. Once the contract has been approved, both the grower and the buyer can place standing orders on the contract. To place a standing order, you must follow the following steps. Go to Sales and then Standing Orders in the Floriday menu. You are now in the Standing Orders overview. To create a standing order, click on Add Standing Order. Select the desired contract for the standing order. Check the delivery information. If necessary, you can change the delivery location, carrier and delivery moment here. We then go to the trade items. If a bandwidth has been agreed, you can adjust the prices within the bandwidth. Then enter the number of packages and do this for all items within the contract. It is possible to go outside the bandwidth, but this must be approved. Click on Save and Finalize to place the standing order. You can also have standing orders automatically repeated in a certain period. This is useful for regular orders. Click Repeat and indicate how often the call-off orders should be placed automatically by setting a frequency. This can be daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose the period and determine whether you want to adopt the prices as entered in the standing order or as previously recorded in the contract. After saving the standing order, don't forget to complete the delivery. We learned how to create contracts and place standing orders. With this functionality, you can record long-term agreements and trade efficiently with customers. Thanks for watching, and good luck optimizing your trading processes with contracts and call orders. Do you have any questions? Feel free to contact our support via the support chat or search for your question in the Floriday Help Center.